Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the atomicity. What is atomicity? Actually, it is the number of atoms present in one molecule. How many atoms? That means there can be 2, 3, 4, 5, or many atoms present in a molecule. The number of atoms present in a molecule is known as atomicity. For example, argon. Argon is a monoatomic, that means having one element. That is, it is a monoatomic. If you have to exemplify a monoatomic molecule, you can identify as argon, or you can say helium. Monoatomic molecule, that means having only one atom. Oxygen, O2, that means number of atoms is 2. That this is known as diatomic. Nitrogen, N2, diatomic also. And more than 2 or more than 3, you can say phosphorus, P4, it is polyatomic. That means those molecules which are having more than the 4 elements or atoms present, that is known as polyatomic molecule. That means atomicity simply identifies the number of atoms present in molecule. Next is ion. What is an ion? Ion is a compound containing metal and non-metal elements. These are the elements. Ion is a compound containing metal and non-metal elements. Both elements containing charged particles. These compounds containing metal and non-metals contain charged particles are known as, that means the compound in which charged particles are present, whether it can be a combination of metal and non-metal, and these charged particles are known as ions. Example, ion is a charged particle having a positive or negative charge. Simply means that an atom or an element having positive or negative charge, that is known as an ion. Those atoms, or you can say the element having positively charged, that is known as cation, and the negatively charged ion is called as anion. Negatively means anion and positively means cation. Example is here, sodium, Na plus, it is the cation. Potassium, K plus, cation. Calcium, 2 plus, cation. Chloride, Cl negative. Bromide, Br negative. Oxide, oxygen 2 negative. These are anions. And another having atomicity, valency. Valency means the combining capacity of an element. Combining capacity of an element. For example, sodium having one positive charge, it indicates that it has atomicity of 1. Having one positive charge, it means having atomicity of 1. Calcium having 2 positive charge, it means having atomicity of 2. That means combining capacity, it can combine with the 2 elements. Chlorine also, it can combine with 1. Bromine can combine with 1. That means having 1 negative charge. Positive means it has lost the electron, that means why it has got the positive charge. Chlorine means it has obtained, or you can say it gained the electron, that is why these are negative. For example, here hydrogen is another positive. Hydrogen, if we say here as H plus and Cl negative, that means this can combine with another one having atomicity 1. That means H1Cl, that means HCl, hydrogen chloride. This atomicity it is the combining capacity. That means how many elements one atom can combine. This is known as atomicity. Thank you. Have a nice day.